Understanding grounds for hope. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, grounds for hope. This expression is not just about optimism, but it's about finding reasons to believe that positive outcomes are possible. Let's explore what makes these words so powerful and how you can use them in everyday conversations. Grounds for hope refers to the evidence or reasons that make one believe that something good will happen or that a positive outcome is likely. It's like having a fertile soil, grounds, where seeds of hope can sprout and grow. This phrase is often used in situations that seem challenging or dire, yet there are signs or reasons to believe that things will improve. 1. Grounds. This word typically refers to a solid surface of the earth or a piece of land. However, in this context, it signifies reasons or justifications for a particular belief or action. 2. Hope, a feeling of expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen. It's more than just wishing. It's about believing and often, actively working towards a goal despite the uncertainty of its outcome. 1. Despite the company's financial losses last quarter, the new product launch gave the employees grounds for hope. 2. The community's strong and unified response to the crisis provided grounds for hope that recovery was not just possible, but probable. Sometimes, you might hear variations of the phrase like, reasons to be hopeful, emphasizes that there are specific reasons that make hope reasonable or justified. Basis for optimism, similar to grounds for hope, but with a focus on a positive and hopeful attitude towards the future. Grounds for hope is a beautiful expression that captures the essence of finding reasons to be optimistic even when the situation seems challenging. It reminds us that hope can be grounded in reality, based on evidence or actions that indicate a positive turn of events. We hope this explanation helps you grasp the depth of this phrase and inspires you to find your own grounds for hope in everyday life. Keep learning, and keep hoping.